Welcome to our channel. Today we've got a hot topic that's sure to interest anyone with a PayPal account. It's all about earning free PayPal money cash codes quickly. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around and we'll show you how it's possible. First off, let's talk about PayPal cash codes. These are unique codes that once redeemed, add money directly to your PayPal account. Imagine getting extra cash without having to work extra hours. Exciting, right? Now you're probably wondering where you can get these cash codes. Well, various online platforms offer them as rewards. For example, survey sites, cashback apps, and even some gaming platforms. By completing specific tasks or actions, you can earn these codes. Let's dive deeper. Let's start with survey sites. Companies are always eager to gather consumer insights, and they're willing to pay for it. Sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie reward you with points for taking surveys. Once you've collected enough points, you can redeem them for PayPal cash codes. Next up, cashback apps. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Well, apps like Rakuten or Dosh not only help you save money on purchases, but also give you cash back. What's more, you can choose to receive your cash back as PayPal cash codes. If surveys and shopping aren't your thing, why not try gaming? Some gaming platforms offer PayPal cash codes as rewards. Platforms like Mistplay allow you to earn units by playing games, and these units can be exchanged for PayPal cash codes. Earning these codes is one thing, but how do you redeem them? It's simple. Just log into your PayPal account, go to the wallet section, and click on Redeem a Card. Enter the code, click Redeem, and voila, the money is added to your account. But remember, while this is a great way to earn some extra cash, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The amount you can earn depends on the time and effort you put into it. The more tasks you complete, the more codes you can get. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Are these methods safe? Yes, they are. The sites and apps we've mentioned are all reputable and have been used by millions of people worldwide. However, always be cautious when sharing your personal information online. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and fun way to earn free PayPal money cash codes. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save up for something special, or just want a bit of extra spending money, these methods are worth a try. So why not give it a go? Sign up for a survey site, download a cashback app, or jump into a game. You'll be earning free PayPal money cash codes before you know it. And remember, every little bit adds up. Happy earning.